Gondor Meatball production line. They actually treat frozen meat, prevent microbial growth. Locking in freshness is safer. High-speed chopping emulsification. Fully extract salt-soluble protein. Create tender minced meat. Meatballs of uniform size and weight. Efficient and stable production. Precise temp control hot water. Low temp cooked meatballs. Cleaner and higher quality products. Rapid cooling and dehydration. Anti-stick chain moisture. Reduce quick freezer load. 零下35摄氏度 Cold air quick freezing. Quick cool meatballs to below 零下18摄氏度 Longer shelf life. Wide range of applications. Factory panoramic view. Workshop. Exhibition hall 5000 square meters. Packaging shipping